So you think you found the one, the house that makes you think, yep, this is it. Exciting, right? But hold on. This is where emotions can cost you the big if you're not that careful. Making an offer isn't about feeling, and it's about strategy. And I'll be straight with you. Even I don't represent myself when I buy or sell my own homes. Why? Because emotions messes with judgment. And in real estate, that can cost you thousands. So here's the deal. You've got to trust your realtor. Think about it. Do you sit there and argue with your dentist while they're fixing your tooth? Or try to DIY your taxes when you got a good accountant? Same thing here. Your agent is your expert. You don't get paid unless those keys are in your hands. So their advice is geared towards making sure that you win. And here in Chicago or in the suburbs, marketing conditions swing. Sometimes it's a seller's market. Houses in Lakeview, Orland Park, Naperville, Oak Brook, even down in Joliet flying off the shelves with multiple offers. In that case, lowballing is the fastest way to get laughed right out of the run. And you may need to waive contingencies to upper your offer or tighten timelines. Your agent will lay out the risk, you know exactly where you're stepping into. And flip it around in a buyer's market when homes are sitting there in these Plains, in Wheeling, or even along the North Shore, you got more room to negotiate. Repairs, credits, closing cost help. You can press a little harder because sellers want movement. And a good agent, like myself, will also run comps. Dig into the seller's motivation and position your offer so it stands out. Does the seller need a quick close? Do they need to rent back for a month? Those little details can make the difference between an offer accepted and sorry, we went with someone else. And once that offer is signed, it's a contract. No backseas, without legal and financial consequences. That's why you got to know what you're signing line by line. So bottom line is that the market, whether it's a 2-flat in Logan Square, a single family in Hinsdale, or a condo in Lakeview, the winning offers come from a smart combo of factors, comps, strategy, and trust your agent. So keep emotions in check, play the long game, and let me, your realtor, fight for you. This is Hugo with Cobo Banker, and I will see you in the next video.